Hello and welcome again from AMT Specialist Cars here on Kirkstall Road in Leeds. Pleased again to be showing you another fine example of a Land Rover Discovery. This is the HSE Luxury with bags of specification on it, including black pack, as you can see from the exterior of the car. Black badges, grille and those black 22-inch alloy wheels as well. This is the HSE Luxury, so a standard feature on the HSE Luxury includes the rear seat entertainment. It has rear climate control with heated rear seats as well. And this 19 plate has only covered 17,455 miles. Another fine bit of spec on the car does actually include an electrically deployable tow bar, and it's got tow assist with all the additional cameras. What a piece of vehicle this is. Twin panoramic sunroof. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.